Next video. In today's video I will show you how to use biometric like face recognition, fingerprint recognition, or iris recognition, or just your lock screen, how to do all that kind of authentication in Jetpack Compose for native Android application. So first thing I want to tell you that if you have a face recognition and if you are on a non-pixel device, like if it is not from Google, then the face recognition will, like 90% of the time, it not work, because what happens is that even I have face recognition on my Samsung Android device, but it doesn't work because Samsung decides to implement their own face recognition. They does not compliant, they does not follow the rules and regulations which Google has for that biometric API. Okay, so you might face those issues. So if your face recognition is not working, you might fall back to screen lock. So you can write a logic for that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So let's get started. As usual, I have created a Jetpack Compose application, and here I have added this biometric dependency. Next, what you will have to do, go to Android manifest, and you will have to add this permission of use biometric as well. Once you do that, you will here you can see that I have this compose over here. Before that, I will show you the output. So there are two buttons. First, for getting the available biometric. So if I click on get available biometric, it says that I have secure lock. I also have face recognition, but it is giving me secure lock because the secure lock if clause is before face lock. So if you see over here, it is over here, but the face lock is below the secure lock. So this is over here and the face lock is over here. But if you want to check whether it has face lock, then you can test move the order of the when statements. Next, if I click on authenticate, you won't be able to see it, but I am able to see my lock screen. The Android OS hides it because someone might be able to see your lock screen, that's why. And if I try to authenticate, I'll authenticate, I'll click continue. So here you can see that I am able to see the success toast message. So let's get started. So all you have to do is, first you will have to create a biometric prompt, then you require an executor, and you also require a prompt info of biometric prompt. And I have also created a state for error in case if there is any error. Then you require context, and you can get it using local context.current. For getting the available biometric, you can just use package manager and use has system feature, like package manager dot feature device lock. If that is equal to true, then return device lock. Similarly, first feature screen lock, fingerprint and face. If none of this is available, then you can just use no biometric prompt. And then for authenticating, like for logging, first I'm initializing our executor, then I'm initializing our prompt info. So here you can change the title as well as the subtitle, and here you have to add this device credential. Biometric weak, I have added a biometric weak. Oh sorry, this should be biometric strong. Okay, so here like I have added all three of this because in case face doesn't work, it will fall back to screen lock, that's why. And yeah, once you are if there is any authentication error, I'm just applying it to our error variable. If not, if it is success, then just displaying a toast message. Again, here there could be any error, and I'm just calling authenticate prompt info. And here we are checking whether the user can really authenticate or not. So that's why we require a handler. Using that handler, we will first use a biometric manager, then we can authenticate using device credential, biometric weak or biometric strong. And once it is success, then we are calling the login method. If there is any kind of error, I am just showing it inside the error variable. And if you see my compose UI, it just has a button, and the first button calls the get available biometric inside the toast, and on the second I'm just calling can authenticate method, and inside over here I'm just displaying the error message. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.